You're gonna want to see how delicious this sourdough bread that my wife made came out. All right, so check out this Dutch oven here. It's especially made for sourdough. It's dome shaped, 6 quarts, and I guess it's better for making sourdough bread because it lets it rise higher than a standard Dutch oven. So we'll see. Let's try it out. My wife, she's a pro at this. Um, and she has this dough ready already in the Dutch oven, and here is the final result. It's looking absolutely beautiful. She's made this several times now, and she gets better each time. So here I'm gonna cut into it and check out the insides of this. So I like to cut it and then just give that nice little reveal. All right, let's check it out, guys. Yes, 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 and it smells so good. All right, so yeah, it looks like the little oven here worked out pretty well, and I did end up cooking it and making some toasted bread out of it with some garlic and oil. It's absolutely great, and it did taste better with this oven, which is kind of crazy. I don't know how that's possible, but it is, and hopefully this review helped you guys.